In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-page Canva website. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First, you'll want to head over to Canva's main site. If you haven't visited Canva before, it's an incredibly accessible platform renowned for its user-friendly design suite that helps everyone, from beginners to pros, create beautiful designs. Once you are on their homepage, look for the login option if you already have an account. For those of you who are new, you'll be able to set up an account with just a few clicks. Just follow the prompts and you'll be set in no time. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva home. This is where the magic begins. Next, I want you to navigate to the projects section. You'll see this option clearly labeled, making it easy to find your way around. Once you've clicked on projects, you'll be able to see a list of all your saved designs and creations. This section is incredibly helpful for organizing your work, and it allows you to pick up right where you left off. Go ahead and select a project that you want to transform into a multi-page website. You might already have a design ready, or perhaps you're inspired to start a fresh one. If you're unsure about what to pick, consider starting with a project that has a coherent theme or style that you can carry over multiple pages. Now here's the part where we start adding pages to the project. If you scroll down within your selected project, you should find an option labeled Add Page. Click on this to extend your design into a multi-page format. Keep in mind each page can serve a different purpose, perhaps one for your home page, another for your contact information, and one for highlighting your services or portfolio. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can craft a multi-page website using Canva effortlessly. Experiment with different layouts, colors, and fonts across your pages to create a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing design. Canva offers a plethora of templates and resources that you can use to enrich your site further. Remember, the key is to keep your design intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that anyone who visits your site can navigate it with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.